Once upon a time, in the vast, sparkling ocean, there lived a little red fish named Ruby. Ruby was known for her vibrant color and kind heart. Ruby had many friends in the ocean, including Sammy the seahorse, Bella the blue tang, and Ollie the octopus. They loved to play hide and seek among the coral reefs. One day, while Ruby and her friends were playing, a gang of sharks appeared. The shark gang was known for causing trouble and scaring the smaller fish. The leader of the shark gang, Spike, swam up to Ruby and said, "We challenge you to a race. If you win, we'll leave your reef alone. But if you lose, this reef will be ours." Ruby, though small, was very brave. She knew she had to protect her home and friends. "I accept your challenge," she said confidently. The next day, all the sea creatures gathered to watch the race. Ruby and Spike lined up at the starting point, ready to race through the coral maze. The race was intense. Ruby swam as fast as she could, darting through the corals, while Spike tried to catch up. Ruby's friends cheered her on from the sidelines. With a final burst of speed, Ruby crossed the finish line first. She had won the race. The sea creatures cheered loudly, and Spike had no choice but to honor his promise. Spike and his gang swam away, leaving the reef in peace. Ruby's bravery had saved her home, and she was hailed as a hero. That night, Ruby and her friends celebrated with a grand feast. The reef was safe once again, thanks to Ruby's courage and determination. And so, Ruby, the red fish, proved that even the smallest among us can be the bravest of all. The end.